right, so that was my cream of chicken. Now I have some pre-cooked chicken as well. We're gonna just pour that in there. Got a treat for you today, guys. We're gonna do pot pie in the air fryer. So that was our chicken. And then I have some mixed veggies. Probably gonna use half of this bag. And then I'm gonna add some broccoli. Just a few pieces out of here. Because what's chicken pot pie without broccoli? All right. Next, we're gonna add some seasonings. So I got some salt. I'm gonna add just a little bit of that because the cream of chicken has salt already. We're gonna add some black pepper. And this is seasoned to taste, so you can add more or less if you would like. And this is my personal preference. I'm gonna add some garlic powder. I love, 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 love garlic powder. And then I'm gonna add some onion powder as well. And like I said, these are my personal preference. So this is what I wanted to add to my recipe. You do not have to add these. And then we're gonna give it a nice mix. Make sure that cream of chicken mixes up with all of our veggies and our chicken. This smells delicious already. We want to make sure that cream of chicken coats everything. So we get a nice cook to it. And I know y'all are like, but what about the biscuits? They're coming. There we go. All right, so we got that mixed up nicely. I'm just gonna pat it down just a little bit so our surface is even. And here is our biscuits we are going to add in. Y'all, these things always pop on their own. No pop today. There we go. And we are just gonna make a nice layer for our pot pie. All of our biscuits here. And these are gonna spread, so no worries about it covering the whole thing. And this will be a nice flaky crust. And these fit in here perfectly. All right, so we are just gonna put that in there and then set our temperature at 330. And we're gonna do 10 minutes. All right. And we'll see you guys when we're done. All right, guys, so we are back, and look at our chicken pot pie. Look at that. I did put it on for a total of 13 minutes so we could give the outer biscuits a few extra minutes to cook, but these are not, oh, look at that crunch.
This is a blooper video. You don't fit this. Tell him. Putting all the cameras on. She was about to eat the biscuit. Just for you guys.
I was about to give myself salmonella. Wait, we can fix it. We can fix it.
So you just throw it in there for a little bit longer. The reveal isn't done, guys. 10 more minutes. Be right back. See you in a minute.
All right, guys. So we fixed our biscuits.
Let's do that cheese boy.
No, there's
That
no
biscuit
cheese.
bowl.
No, there's no cheese. All right, so we're good now. No, we're good now. It's cooked. We're gonna get some of that pot pie down here.
It's that broccoli in there.
So we're gonna taste some of this broccoli right here. Mm-hmm. Quick and easy recipe. We will amend the time. You keep it at 3:30, but you want to do it for about 20 minutes. Okay? So delicious.